Alright, how about that? They done got the siding on. They haven't got the rock. It's looking pretty good though. What y'all think? That dumpster slam full of stuff. Boy, I could do some dumpster diving in there. Oh my word. What a lot of stuff they throw away. I mean, that's all ours they're throwing away. Alright, this is what you wanted, Amber. Oh no, you want me to come in the front. I don't think I want to climb over the front. We'll go down this way first. Connie's down this way. There's a garage. I don't see how many nails I can step on. They got it all sided up and caulked in. Looking good, looking good. Soffit. Looking good. I think we've seen most everything in here. Anyway, there's the back of the house. How about that? I get in here where I can show really good lighting. Like they did a pretty good job on the siding. How about that? What's up with that big old chunk of concrete? Anyway, all right, I'm getting long here.